Hi everyone and welcome. This is just a short video of what I've been doing lately with a little bit of my vegetables. I want to ask you now to please forgive me for the sniffing and snorting. My allergies have been on high alert. What? If I'd known it was this easy to regrow celery. Let's check for some roots because I need to clean the water real soon. Oh, I see a little one wiggling right there. See that? I see some roots coming out. I'm gonna clean this water, but I'm gonna give it like another week or so. Ooh, that's a good root right there. Not that string, but yeah, I probably can't see it on the camera. Nice thick one. Yeah. I don't know what this onion doing. Oh, I see a little green coming up in the middle. I'm gonna change your water, because you might not be doing anything. No, I see that green down there. I'm gonna change the water there. But if I had known it was this easy to regrow celery. Wow. My celeries that have been growing probably over a week. And some more steady growing up, y'all. Get that. So we're gonna go ahead and plant these. I'm gonna just plant it just like this. That's what I'm gonna do. They look awesome. Look at that. So watch me plant them. I already got my soil ready. I don't know how deep I'm supposed to plant these. I've been trying to find the roots, and I really can't find roots like they say I'm supposed to find. I find these little thin. I'm guessing these are the roots. I don't know. But they're very, very used to water. So, I'm put it in there like that. Get you good in there. Really, this should be, this container should be deeper. But I'm just doing this for now because I actually I'm going to be planting them in my raised bed. I just don't, a few more things I got to do to prep it. And I haven't done it yet. I just got back from out of town. So I'm just going to do this number here. Make sure that she's okay this way. Plant her like that. And then I'm going to give her some water in just a second. Do the same thing to her. Now see how thick I made this? Like I want to really cut it down because it's going to be way up out of there. Right? I should get a deeper one, right? But I don't have anything to plant it in. I got a bucket. But the roots aren't deep yet anyway. So we're going to go with what we got. Somebody's over there cussing at their dogs. So we're gonna just do this number here. Like that. I'm just doing what I can for right now. Do what you can with what you got. Do the best you can. That's my thing. Some of us wait until we feel like, oh, we got everything perfect. It's never going to be perfect. That's what I'm learning in all things. Nothing's ever going to be perfect. So just do it. Do it and enjoy it. Okay. I think that looks good. I think I'm gonna try to leave her outside. I'm gonna sit her over in bed with the watermelons, maybe. Okay. Let's put a little more in her. All right. you know what? We're going to use the water that we had from the bowl that we already had. So we're going to use that. I'm just making a mess. Do the same with this one. We gotta make sure they're good and watery, because that's what they've been in, is water. And it's running out, so that means the water's, that's good. Good. I'm gonna keep it good and wet. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put them. Until I get the bed for her, I'm just gonna sit her over here with my watermelons for now. They're not gonna sit here long at all. So that's how we got them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.